Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Volkswagen Golf GTI. This is the SE trim with the manual transmission. Really nice spec. Dual exhaust, of course. Pure white over Titan black. Total price of $33,994. 2021 comes with the gloss black mirror caps. You can get the Pretorias, I think they're called. Some owners are kind of upset about it because the Rabbit Edition had these wheels. So it's kind of taking away the specialness of the Rabbit Edition. You also have gloss black on the spoiler too. Once you're inside, same as all the Mark 7s, sunroof, nice heater vents, leather wrapped wheel. This is the SE, so of course it has the Titan black leather. And the manual transmission, the way it should be. Well, not exactly. I'm still tossed on if the DSG or the manual is better. They have their specialties, each one does. And honestly, it's just depending on if you want a manual or if you want a DSG. It really just comes down to that. They're both absolutely fantastic cars regardless. For 21, you also get a miniature form of gesture control where you can kind of go side to side on that. There we go. Alright, without further ado, take this thing for a drive. All right. Honestly, I do not know how they're going to improve for the Mark 8. Mark 7 is way better than I ever thought it was. Nice AMG GT. No, it's so good. So fantastic. Now, I used the Mark 7 GTI to make my How to Drive a Manual series in part 2 and 3. And that was basically an excuse to drive these things again. They are that good. Never driven a car like this thing. I'm gonna pull over to the side and let him get some distance, just because he has no idea what he's doing. Cigarette lighter. Actually, no, it's not a cigarette lighter. That's where it goes, but it's just a 12-volt power outlet. Now that he's turned around, we can go for the back road section. Oh my goodness, this thing is so much fun. And what's nice is, once you just relax, it's a hatchback. You know, of course it's gonna whisper to you that it's a performance hatchback, but it's very compliant. Oh my goodness. Why are these things so good? Just why? They don't have to be this good, but they are. I've been in a GLI on track, but I want to drive a GTI on track and just see how amazing this thing really is. Even when you take some higher speed corners on back roads and stuff, it just stays so planted. It just blows my mind. It's absolutely fantastic. And I cannot wait to see, I'm sad the Mark 7's leaving, but I can't wait to see what the Mark 8 ends up being like. Because if they improve upon this, I don't know how they're going to, but give it a little bit more power and performance and stuff like that, there is no reason why you need more than this car. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.